Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the disk is write protected error when trying to format a USB drive. I'll walk you through how to remove the write protection and get your USB working again. So let's get started. From the taskbar search, let's type CMD, right click on the command prompt from the result, and choose Run as an administrator. This will open the command prompt with elevated permissions. In the command prompt window, let's type disk part and press enter. Then let's type list space disk and press enter again. You'll see a list of all the drives on your PC. Find your USB drive by checking the size. You can compare it with what you have on your file explorer and just make sure it's the right USB. And once you identified your USB drive, type something like select space disk space and just put the disk number and press enter. Now let's type attributes space disk and press enter. You'll see the current attribute of your disk. If it says read only, that means it's write protected. To clear the write protection, let's type attributes space disk space clear read only and press enter. You should see a message that says disk attributes cleared successfully. And just to make sure, let's type attributes space disk again, and now it should no longer say read only. That means the protection has been removed. Let's close out of the command prompt and open File Explorer. Right click on the USB drive and select format. Choose the options and click on start. Then click OK to confirm. And just like that, your USB should be successfully formatted. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.